been developing a fluidic lens Phoropter. Now, a fluidic lens is a type of lens where you have a deformable membrane and you can pump fluid in and out of the lens and it can change shape. By changing shape, we change the focal length or the power of the lens. Phoropter is that device that your optometrist uses to test your prescription. I'm sure many of you have sat in front of it and have gone through the process of them asking you better one, better two, as they flip various lenses in front of your eyes. By combining these two technologies, we have come up with a system that can create a much more compact and simple means for determining the prescription or patient. And so the idea here is that we have a sensor that automatically measures the error in the eye, and then it pumps fluid in and out of these lenses in order to correct for a person's refractive error. So if they're nearsighted or farsighted, we can fix that. If they have astigmatism, we can fix that as well. The idea here is basically to streamline the whole procedure for taking the eye exam, and it leads to shorter waiting times in the doctor's office. It's also possible that we can make this a very compact system and make it portable, so we can take it to third world countries and do mass eye screening of populations there in order to correct their eyesight. What we're really looking forward to is finding somebody to team with in order to take this from something in the laboratory to something that we can put into the doctor's office.